There are a couple of ways that we reduce customer churn for our merchants. The primary one is through the customer portal itself. So as a subscriber, when you log in to cancel your subscription, we can proffer up some merchant-dictated questions, such as, was the product too expensive? Did you not like the product's flavor? And based upon what they respond, you can then give them a dynamic response. If it's too expensive, offer them a discount code. If they didn't like the flavor, have too much product, offer to swap it out for something different or skip the upcoming charge so the customer's not clogging themselves up with too much backlog of product. We also work very closely with Stripe and Braintree's automatic card updater. So if a customer's card is updated, it expires, that card issuer will contact Stripe, Braintree, update the card behind that token, meaning that we can then bill the customer on a continual basis without having to update their card at all.